Hello everyone! We have carefully selected the best 5 Wacom tablets for you to master your artistry. If you want to stay updated with the latest prices and additional information, please check out the description below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe buttons to show your support. Wacom Cintiq Pro 32. As a proficient artisan, designer, or architect, it is imperative to invest in top-tier instruments, as they facilitate the creation of superior work with heightened efficiency, thereby augmenting long-term earnings. The Wacom Cintiq Pro 32 Touch is the quintessential selection for seasoned professionals. Boasting a 31.5-inch diagonal display, this tablet offers an array of functionalities, including pristine 4K resolution and an extensive 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity. Nonetheless, with a weight of approximately 13 kilos, this tablet is more suitable for studio utilization. The Wacom Cintiq Pro 24 Touch may present a preferable alternative due to its more compact dimensions for professional artisans constrained by limited desk space or frequently embark on journeys. Despite its smaller size, it maintains an identical 4K resolutions and 8,192 level of pressure sensitivity as its larger counterpart, with a still generous screen spanning 23.6 inches. This tablet delivers an expansive display with remarkable resolution, fostering a heightened sense of realism in the drawing experience while exhibiting exceptional sensitivity to pen pressure for precise input. Moreover, its versatility in connectivity options ensures a dynamic and adaptable setup. Wacom Intuos Pro Medium. Wacom Intuos has long reigned supreme in the realm of drawing tablets. Even in its largest size variant, the device offers a spacious working area without an overwhelming footprint, effectively conserving desk space while providing ample canvas for bold strokes. Boasting a resolution of 50/100 LPI, it eradicates even the faintest hint of jitter, ensuring seamless drawing even with the most delicate lanes. However, what truly distinguishes this device as the premier choice for illustrators is its cutting-edge pen technology, featuring an impressive 892 levels of pressure sensitivity and 60-degree tilt support. While many other devices tout similar technical specifications, not all are meticulously calibrated to deliver on their promises. Moreover, the Wacom Intuos Pro enchants users with its plethora of customizable settings, accessible via a feature-rich driver interface. 8 programmable buttons cater to individual preferences, while screen taps and gestures are also fully adaptable. The multi-touch functionality can be effortlessly toggled on or off, and the preset touch ring is adjustable to accommodate diverse workflows. Another notable advantage is its Bluetooth capability, enabling wireless connectivity to a PC, although wired connectivity remains an option. In sum, the Wacom Intuos Pro stands as the epitome of drawing pads for professionals, offering exceptional quality and an abundance of features at a reasonable price point. One by Wacom. Unlock your creative potential with the One by Wacom small graphics drawing tablet. Designed for students and creators alike, this portable device offers a canvas of 8.3 x 5.7 inches to bring your ideas to life with precision and ease. The included ergonomic pen, boasting 2048 levels of pressure sensitivity, delivers a natural and responsive drawing experience, allowing you to effortlessly capture every stroke and detail. Compatible with Chromebook, Mac, and Windows operating systems, this versatile tablet seamlessly integrates into your digital workflow, whether sketching, illustrating, or annotating documents. Its compact designs makes it ideal for on-the-go use, while its durable construction ensures reliability wherever creativity strikes. With the One by Wacom small graphics drawing tablet, unleash your imagination and explore the endless possibilities of digital artistry. Elevate your projects, streamline your workflow, and experience the joy of creating with precision and control. Wacom Intuos. For those versed in the realm of drawing tablets, the mention of Wacom devices is a given. Renowned for their superior quality and reliability, Wacom stands as the foremost brand in the field of drawing tablets. Among its offerings, the Wacom Intuos holds particular appeal for novices seeking a budget-friendly option. Having graced the market for several years, the Wacom Intuos has undergone numerous enhancements. The latest iteration of the Wacom Intuos boasts several notable features, including wireless connectivity and compatibility with Android devices. Equipped with a stylus boasting 4096 levels of pressure sensitivity, it offers a meticulously balanced and fluid pressure curve. Additionally, the stylus incorporates 2 programmable buttons for enhanced functionality. Remarkably, the stylus operates passively, eschewing the need for drawing power wirelessly from the tablet via EMR, electromagnetic resonance technology. Further enhancing its versatility, the stylus features an expandable back-end housing extra pen tips. Positioned towards the top edge of the tablet, the shortcut button provides convenient access to essential functions. Notably, the tablet is available in 2 sizes, small and medium, catering to varying user preferences. Its textured surface not only enhances grip and control over the stylus, but also imbues the tablet with a tactile, paper-like feel, further elevating the drawing experience. Wacom Cintiq 16. Wacom has garnered a reputation for its premium, albeit expensive, devices, often commanding prices in the thousands of dollars. However, unveiling the new Wacom Cintiq 16 took many by surprise. Not only does it excel as a drawing tablet, but it also boasts a remarkably affordable price point. Despite its budget-friendly nature, Wacom has maintained features and quality. The tablet showcases a 15.6-inch matte screen with full HD resolution, featuring noticeably reduced bezels for a sleek appearance. Overall, the Cintiq 16 exudes a sense of compactness and lightweight design, further accentuated by its slender profile, facilitating ease of transportation. Recognizing the importance of ergonomic drawing positions, Wacom includes high-quality pop-up legs with the Cintiq 16, ensuring stability without any wobbling. Moreover, the Wacom Pro Pen 2 enhances the drawing experience with its battery-free operation and exceptional comfort, allowing for extended usage without discomfort or fear of battery depletion. Beyond its primary function as a drawing tablet, the Cintiq 16 also serves as a versatile secondary computer monitor, proving invaluable for tasks such as photo editing and product design. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.